Hi, this is Brendan O'Sullivan Vlogs here. I'm exploring with some people and fuck's sake, with another episode of... Oh my god! Look what you did to my jeans! I can't even see that.
You tasted fake.
Yeah, and I'm testing your mum's. No, Matt, I fucking will die. I'll fucking die, Matt. Wow, that was a really cool video, wasn't it, guys? Of me walking across that log, madness.
3 days later.
Day 4, lads. I think we found some roads because if you listen, you can hear the cars. So we might have a chance of salvation. Yeah.
It was at this moment that Nathan knew. He fucked up.
It'd be so good to look at. But it's just
Oh fuck,
real.
would you look at that? We got horses.
We found some food.
We found food, lads. There's fucking horses, lads.
Brendan, if I
The way we're going to approach this is we're going to make some weaponry out of this fence here, and we're probably going to go from the legs, and then we'll cut the tail off.
Brendan, if I paid
No,
you,
then it can't kick you like sweet chin
if I paid you,
music.
That later.
Day 5, lads. We've made an advance with the horses.
that's so weird how we ended day 4 just here in the same position.
Yeah, we have to sleep over
We
there.
set up camp.
We found a horseshoe. Look at this.
20 minutes later.
His leg. Alright, we're now hungry for food. We're gonna fall over here. Just sensitive.
So you have to jump.
He's going on a trip.
Oh, get that.
I'll just have a shot of it. This is the last 8 seconds we have of recording. Just want to say, I love you, Mum.
Oh, there's the opening. We'll go from there.
I guess I'm following Brendan.